Nag-wish lang po ako eh. Happy birthday na po. Happy birthday, Ate. Maging mabait ka na. Yun lang.
Alright, ready? Go! Go closer. Guys, once again in the count of 3, shout loud and clear and say it. Happy birthday! Abby, and 3, 2, 1, go! Go, Abby, close your eyes. Close your eyes and make a wish. And you may now blow your candle. Yay! Wow! And this time, certified 7 years old. Yes, thank you very much. Now once again, first wheel. And this is coming from Nina Kapil Lot. Yes, palakpakan nyo naman guys.
Mami siya.
Hello. Ano, pag na. Pag na. Ayaw na. Dapat na yung birthday celebrant. Happy birthday, Ate Boy. Wish ko lang you grow to be a good boy and follow your parents and be good to your siblings. Huwag makulit. Huwag nahiyak. Enjoy your day. Dami mong bisita.
Napagod siya dun sa takbo-takbo.
Alright. Ready, picture moment. Smile. Then moving on for Tito Jason Matilia.
Dapat na. Baka
To Ate Boy, as we celebrate your day today, I hope you enjoy the party. I wish you a wonderful birthday.
binubuksan na.
Wishing you achievements in the world.
Pinsa mo si Neo?
Wishes
Neo
be
Barako.
answered and fulfilled.
Taga saan?
Please
Oo.
enjoy the
Pinsa
life.
mo? Anak ni...
Sila Baspen.
Ah.
Raise you as a child with good
Ah, sorry ka.
and with fear of God. Ayun, sana medyo new life.
Maganda nga sa bata yun eh.
And palagi ko rin natin yung bangla is
Wow.
Yan at
Thank you,
babae.
Tito Jason Matilia.
Sabi ko na lalong barabat nga pala.
Okay, then moving on for Tita Rara Salonga. Yes, palakpakan naman natin everybody.
So, Ate Boy, happy birthday. Wishing you good health. Yeah, good health and success. Success, medyo malalim na yun. Pero always be a good boy to mommy, to daddy, to Ada, and study hard, always listen to teachers. We love you and we're just so happy na yung mga tito-tita mo happy lang kasi we can already talk to you in Tagalog. Hindi na kami mahihirapan. Love you, Adi. Happy birthday.
Wow. Ready, picture taking. Thank you very much, Tita Rara Salonga.
The blessings to your family. Sabi ni Tita Rara, study hard. Study smart na lang sa akin. Thank you for the invitation.
Wow. Ready, eyes on camera. Tita Ichi Flores. Next one is Tito Edgar Karaan.
Hello, good afternoon po sa lahat. Happy birthday, Ate Boy. Wish ko lang sa'yo sana hindi maban ang Roblox sa Pilipinas.
Bless ka, bless. Bless. Ay, sa cellphone.
Yay! Oo nga.
Ang Jerry yan.
Tito Edna Saraan.
Kumare mo.
Next one is Tito Dennis Pasaho.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay paring Alex sa pag-invite. And then, Adi Boy, happy 7th birthday. Di ba rin makulit, basta lagi mabait. Adi, happy birthday and be a good boy.
Ako sa baon.
Wow!